This is a model showing some major blood vessels throughout the body, and we start with the heart here, and we can see the major chambers, the right atrium, which collects oxygen poor blood from the body. We'll show you the vessels there in a minute. A right ventricle, left atrium over here, which collects oxygen-rich blood from the lungs, and then left ventricle. The blood vessels flowing into the right atrium include the superior vena cava that drains the upper portion of the body, the head and arms and shoulders. And the inferior vena cava here, what actually comes up from the abdominal cavity, comes up, drains into the bottom of the right atrium, and it's draining the lower torso and legs. And that oxygen poor blood comes into the right atrium, goes into the right ventricle. When it contracts, it pumps up blood through the pulmonary trunk. Now, by definition, despite the coloration here, it is an artery. It pumps blood out to the left pulmonary artery and right pulmonary artery. Here that you can see it kind of ducks under and comes out to here. The blood then gets oxygenated, comes back through pulmonary veins. There are two right pulmonary veins here that actually wind up going behind the heart and draining into that left atrium. And over here, there are left pulmonary veins that drain directly into that left atrium. The left atrium sends blood to the left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, it sends blood up through the ascending aorta, the aortic arch, and then a thoracic aorta that descends back behind the heart. And that thoracic aorta eventually comes down through the diaphragm muscle and becomes the abdominal aorta here.